Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of e-commerce and exploring how to set up a Shopify store from scratch in 2024. Let's kick things off with a mind-blowing statistic. Did you know that e-commerce is growing at an unprecedented rate in 2024? This means there's a massive opportunity for new online businesses to thrive in this digital landscape. Now let's talk about the exciting journey of starting a Shopify store from the ground up. Shopify has made it incredibly easy for anyone to launch their online store and tap into the vast potential for profitability. As beginners, we often face common challenges such as selecting the right products, setting up payment gateways, and driving traffic to our store. But fret not, we're here to guide you through it all. So let's roll up our sleeves and dive into the nitty-gritty of setting up your Shopify store. From creating your account to selecting a template, adding products and customizing your store's design, we've got you covered every step of the way. Now here comes the key moment: marketing and optimizing your store for conversions. We'll share some top strategies including SEO techniques, email marketing and social media promotions to help elevate your store's visibility and drive sales. As we wrap up, remember the importance of consistency, patience and continuous learning in your e-commerce journey. Success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication and perseverance, you can achieve great things in the online business world. Before we sign off, remember to hit that subscribe button for more e-commerce tips and tricks. Share your experiences in the comments below and check out our other videos for additional guidance on building your online empire. If you want to get started with expert assistance, subscribe and drop "I'm interested" in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy selling on Shopify.